Hey guys, Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. So today in the house we have a brand new gaming monitor. You can already see it on my desk over here. Thing is, a lot of people keep looking to buy a budget category gaming monitor under 20,000 rupees, and if you're also looking for the same, well, you've come to the right video. So Lenovo has recently launched a brand new gaming monitor in the Indian market that goes by the name G2720, and these guys wanted me to cover it on our channel and they sent over a review unit. So guys, today in this video we'll be unboxing it and I'll be sharing like complete details on this monitor. So it's a 1080p 27-inch IPS gaming monitor that comes with like 144 Hz refresh rate and 1 millisecond response time and offers a lot of other features as well, which I'll tell you in this video. So let's get started. And by the way, the video is sponsored by the brand, so thank you for that. So here's our new gaming monitor from Lenovo. The model is G2720 and comes in this sort of box packaging. We've got the Lenovo branding everywhere and some of its features mentioned on the front side, like it's a 27-inch 1080p IPS gaming monitor with a high refresh rate of 144Hz and 1 millisecond response time. And it also supports AMD's FreeSync Premium technology. So those were some of its main highlights and that is pretty much it, guys. There's nothing much written on the box. So let's get started with the unboxing. Let me grab my knife and cut this seal on the package. There we go, and as soon as you open it, we've got some accessories at the top, which includes a power cord for the monitor. You also get a free DisplayPort cable in the package, some paperwork, make sure to read that. This is a monitor stand along with some installation screws, and lastly you get the stand base. Oh, beautiful design. That's it, these are all the accessories we got in the package. Now let's finally check out the monitor, Lenovo's new G2720. Oh boy, so here's our first look at the product. Okay guys, what I'll do is I'll quickly fix the stand, set up the monitor and then be right back to continue the video. Alright guys, our new monitor is all set up and good to go. So first let's talk about the design and the build quality. Lenovo's new G2720 is a 27-inch Full HD IPS gaming monitor with 144Hz refresh rate. And from my first impressions, I can say the monitor looks beautiful from the front. Love the black and blue color scheme on it. Also, not to forget that three-sided edgeless design, guys. Looks quite seamless, and one more added advantage of this sort of design is whenever you're using multi-monitor setups like dual or triple and use these sort of bezel-less monitors in those configurations, right, you'll get minimum blind spots and can be like super advantageous for gamers. Talking about the build quality is very good. Entire body is made of polycarbonate in a matte finishing and has an ergonomic design. So let me quickly give you a physical overview and show you all the available connectivity ports and buttons on it. Starting off from the front side, first let's talk about the display. The G2720 comes with a 27-inch IPS panel with a resolution of 1080 by 1920, and yes, it supports HDR decoding as well. But the thing that makes it special for gaming is the G2720 has 144Hz high refresh rate with 1 millisecond response time. It supports AMD's FreeSync Premium and is also NVIDIA G-Sync compatible when used via DisplayPort. So I'm like quite excited to see this thing in action. That's it about the display. Now going to the back side, here's how the monitor looks like. It's got an attractive stand design with a slim profile so it doesn't take up much space on your desk also, and comes with an upgraded Vector V base with a sporty black and blue theme, and also features a cable management loop just above that. And wait a second, I haven't told you about the weight, right? It's only around 5.94 kg, so you can easily move it around. Coming to the adjustability part, the monitor supports both height and tilt adjustment just like this. Alright, now let's have a closer look at all the available connectivity ports and buttons on it. You've got a total of 5 buttons at the backside. This is a power button, followed by a menu button, up and down navigation, and input source select button. Quality of the buttons is also good, feel tactile and clicky. Coming to the connectivity ports, there you go, it's got a port to connect the mains card, a HDMI 1.4 port, a DisplayPort 1.2, and lastly a 3.5mm headphone jack. So that was our complete overview on the design and the build quality. Now let's talk about the main part, the display quality and the gaming performance. As mentioned earlier, the G2720 from Lenovo is a 27-inch Full HD 1080p monitor with an IPS LED backlit panel and supports true 8-bit colors with 99% sRGB color gamut. So I've been using this product for quite some time for all my testings and gaming purpose, and let me tell you, I was quite happy with the results. Since it's got 1080p resolution, there's great amount of detail and sharpness, images look nice and crisp, and everything was easily readable, either it be blogs or website or anything that you're watching on the display. And talking about the colors look very nice and rich. It's got an IPS panel, and on top of that it supports 99% sRGB color gamut, right? So color reproduction and color accuracy was also good. I've watched a variety of content on it, like YouTube videos, movies on Netflix, and played a couple of games as well, and I can surely say the monitor was doing a good job. Viewing angles are also good thanks to the panel being IPS. The picture looks the same no matter from which angle you view it. The contrast levels were also fine, has a ratio of around 1000:1, and the dynamic range was also good. On the overall guys, Lenovo's G2720 was offering a good picture quality for the price point. Alright, now moving on, let's talk about the gaming performance on this product. Lenovo's monitor has a high refresh rate of up to 144Hz with 1 millisecond response time. And as mentioned earlier, it supports AMD's FreeSync premium technology and also has Nvidia's G-Sync compatibility when used via DisplayPort. That means you're getting both LFC and also low latency on board. See, high refresh rates and low response times are quite essential to experience that buttery smooth gameplay. These features try to minimize the motion blur and keep the ghosting effects as low as possible. Just check out these gameplay videos so you'll get an idea on the performance and image quality as well. Now that was awesome, right? Smooth gaming experience, and the input lag was also very less. See, high FPS and low input lag will give gamers and esport players a huge advantage over the competition. And thanks to AMD's FreeSync premium support, you'll get to experience a tear-free and stutterless gaming on your PC. Good thing is the monitor also supports G-Sync compatibility, but only when used via DisplayPort, so keep that in mind. I'm telling you right, if you come from a 60Hz setup to this, you'll feel a big difference over here. And wait a second, I forgot to talk about Lenovo's exclusive software that you can download from their website. It's called Lenovo Artery and offers you a lot of customization features, like you can control and adjust display parameters like brightness, dynamic contrast, color tuning, color gamut and temperature adjustment, and a lot is there over here. Apart from that, it also offers you some exclusive gaming tools like capability to display frame rate, enable a custom aim point to help you while playing, and things like that. Quite handy feature, so make sure to check it out. Well, that's it guys, our video on Lenovo's new G2720 Full HD gaming monitor. It's a very good 27-inch gaming monitor for the price. Beautiful design, fast and good quality IPS panel, and offers some exclusive software features as well. If you are looking for a good 27-inch gaming monitor on a budget, then you can surely check out this one. It costs around 20,000 rupees and is available at Chroma stores either online or in retail as well. I'll leave links to them in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that's it for today. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video and got to know everything about the product. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.